Hello everybody, my name is Emmanuel Wright. I'm an innovation manager at the Hidden Genius Project based out of Oakland, California.
Yep, and my name is Pierre Bazile. I'm an innovation educator based out of LA, California.
And today at the Know Your Rights camp, we presented on the Hidden Genius Project and also using tech for liberation. In our presentation, we walked campers through a multitude of different examples of how technology can be used to liberate not only their communities, but their families and themselves.
Having them understand that at the moment, access to technology is not equal and equitable, and that's one of our missions to close that gap. And then we moved into racism in technology, bias in AI, and how we can combat those things. And then we finished off by speaking about how they can protect their privacy and their data as individuals trying to keep themselves safe. And we ended with that activity, that design thinking activity, challenging them to come up with their own ideas of how they can use technology to make the world a better place.
Yeah, so we encourage the students to pair up and think about an app or website or technology that they would create and how it would affect and change their community. In that, we gave them 90 seconds, and when I tell you some of those ideas were amazing, like about 15 hands shot up, but we only had time to choose 6 of them. And some of the ideas range from a detector of ice and how an alert system to allow community members to know when your community may be getting invaded soon. Another app idea was a study helping app. Taking beyond a study helper, it actually embodies the teacher and using that as a way to actually have personalized tutoring for that student. One of the students had an idea of a technology that could even grow natural fruits in a desolate area, and kind of for low-income communities and people who may not have access to ergodynamics, they can grow their own fruit and vegetables healthily in their own backyard. And yeah, surprise, definitely to say the least, for only a 90-second challenge. I think they definitely killed it and had some great ideas.
It always starts with an idea. That's the first step, and not to let these ideas go to waste, to really write them down. And we talked about tech and AI a lot in this presentation, and how AI tools can help them bring these ideas to life. So we hope that they take us up on that. My advice would be to find what space in technology they're passionate about and what really piques their interest and gets the gears turning in their head, and then to just follow that. Do the research and have that research be fun. Tech is a fun space, and there's a lot going on, so really just have fun and let that take you where you want it.
Artificial intelligence is just that, it's artificial. So never underestimating your power as a human, and understanding that our skills can be developed just as much as an AI tool can be. So if I had any message to leave to Black and brown youth, it would be to understand that the power has always been within, and understanding that the AI technology, any tool, is just a tool just to get you to advance to where you want to be.
If you can learn what makes AI tick, then you'll be that much more powerful and that much more influential in how we steer AI. So just learn the tool and you'll be better at using it.
My name is Emmanuel Wright.
My name is Pierre Bazile.
And we know our rights.